Hi guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can upload a video on Google Drive and share the link. So in here, I have already opened this Google Drive, my drive, and if you want to upload, you can just choose the folder, or if you want to upload just on your drive, now you can just click on the new in here, the new button, and choose to the tap on this file upload, then select the videos that you want to upload. For example, I'm going to upload this one right here. Click on the video files and then click on open. Now you can see the videos will starting to uploading. You can just wait until this process is done. So now the upload has been completed. You can just close this, and if you want to share the link of this video, you can just click on the three dots icon to see more actions, one more option, and here you can go with share and click on copy link, or just click on share to directly share it with your friends. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.